Hey everyone, this video I'm going to be talking ribbing, and what I mean is flat panel rib stitches, which is just E-wrap purl variation. Now this right here is a single rib. You E-wrap one, purl one, E-wrap one, purl one, and every row you do exactly the same. It'll give you just a tight little rib, and of course that's what the back looks like. Now instead of E-wrap 1, purl 1, if you do E-wrap 2, purl 2, E-wrap 2, purl 2, you will get a double rib. Some of these have different names, but it's going to be a rib that's spread apart a little more, which this is just done with one strand of yarn, so it'll get thicker. This is what the back looks like. If you decide to go E-wrap 3, purl 3, E-wrap 3, so on and so forth, it gives you even a chunkier rib, which that's what it looks like then. And of course that's what the back will look like. And you can mix these up. This right here is E-wrap 4, purl 2, and that's what the back looks like. This one right here is purl 4 and E-wrap 2. It's just the exact opposite of this one. And that's what it looks like. And this, again, we got another ribbing, which this one would be, we got E-wrap 2, purl 3. So E-wrap 2, purl 3. Ribbing is really good to use when you are doing a blanket. You can do the edges of the blanket if to help it to keep it from curling. You can use ribbing for the cuff of socks. You can use it for hats, just the brim, or you can do the whole thing out of it. So I wanted to do this video just to give you an idea of what some of these different ribbing look like. It's going to depend on the look you're looking for. Of course, we got your single and double, triple rib. These ones I'll have to look up exactly what they're called, but this is E-wrap 4, purl 2, purl 4, E-wrap 2, E-wrap 2, purl 3. And there's endless variations that you can do with this. And this is just how some of them look. Okay, so I hope this does help kind of clarify some of the differences in the ribbing. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.